An earthy bedroom is a peaceful sanctuary that brings the calming essence of nature indoors. To create this atmosphere, start with a natural color palette. Think soft browns, muted greens, and warm beiges that mimics the tones of the outdoors. Incorporate organic materials like wooden furniture, rattan accents, and linen textiles to add warmth and texture. Layer different textures, such as a chunky knit throw, a wool rug, and linen curtains, to create a cozy, inviting space. Adding greenery with houseplants like snake plants or pothos enhances the room's connection to nature. Soft, ambient lighting, using lamps with fabric shades or pendant lights made from natural materials, sets a serene mood. Keep decor minimal and meaningful, with personal touches like artwork or photos in simple wooden frames. This approach transforms your bedroom into a tranquil retreat that reflects the beauty and calm of the natural world.